just wanted to hop on here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I want to thank everybody that has viewed, liked, subscribed, and commented on any of my past videos. But we came into the backcountry last night, hiked in 6 miles, and pitched tent right on this knob. It was super windy last night. And we ate some sockeye salmon. That was perfect in the woods. But and that was this year's catch. So yeah, we're just out here doing some glassing, and first thing that we seen was boom, deer, a doe. And I'll show you guys the doe real quick here. But as you guys seen, it's the first animal of the trip. We were here about 5:30 at this glassing knob. We were not here at first light, in which I can only imagine what would have happened if we could have been here at first light. But we got in a little late, got food and everything settled in way a little late, so we didn't end up going to bed till like 1 a.m. in the morning. So it is what it is, and I just wanted to jump on here and show you guys what I'm doing today with my buddy Mike and my son Colby up here. And we're going to spend the day up here and see what we can see. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.